Austin. Thank you so much for joining me. Let's have some fun. Hello, hello, hello. Have a great day. Let's get after it, guys. Hey there, guys. Your joke of the day. What did one math book say to the other? I've got so many problems. All right, quick warm up today, guys. Here we go. Swing the arms forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wide stance. Here we go. Side shuffle. Here we go. All right, an air dribble. Here we go. Both hands. Good job. Low. Medium. High. And 10 jump shots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, guys, here we go. Okay, guys, more basketball today. First thing we're talking is free throws, okay? So quite often in basketball, when you get fouled, okay, while you're shooting, you will be shooting 2 free throws in many cases for that foul that they made on you as you were shooting, okay? So a free throw is, we have a line out in front of the basket, okay? It's a decent distance away. 15 feet is the standard length, okay? And you get to shoot 2 shots uncontested. Nobody's guarding you, okay? And you just get to do your best to try to make it. It looks like this. Here we go. I come up to the line. I like to take a few dribbles, okay? Get myself in a good position and shoot, just like so, okay? Made that one. I get a second shot. Oh, just missed, okay? So that is how you shoot free throws, guys. We are going to do a little free throw activity here, okay? And so hang on 1 second and we'll get that going. All right, now for the free throws today. If you have a basketball hoop, guys, go out and go shoot 30 free throws, okay? That would be awesome, then come back to the video. Many of us don't, so what we're going to do is, if you have any kind of bucket, big Tupperware, okay? If you can put it elevated for me, that would be awesome, okay? It'd be better than shooting down at the bucket when it's on the ground, okay? So mine is elevated on a desk here, okay? And if you have some softer, lighter balls that you could shoot indoor safely, okay? Go ahead and gather up a few of those, okay? If you just have one, that's fine. If you have more, it just makes it a little bit easier to shoot faster, okay? Or if you don't have any of that, paper ball is great, okay? And so what we're going to do is I'm going to put my basketball down, and I, of course, have lots of softer, good balls to shoot into a smaller target, okay? And so I have these here. Now, I want us to, even though it might not work quite as good, is use some good shooting form, okay? So I'm probably 8 feet away or so from the bucket, okay? And I'm going to have my shooting hand on that ball, guide hand on the side. I'm going to bend my knees, okay? And now I'm ready to shoot. Remember, you want a nice arching shot into the basket. So we're going to shoot 30, okay? And you're going to count how many you make, okay? I'll count how many I make. I might be able to shoot them a little bit faster because I have more here, okay? If you only have one or a couple, you're going to have to hustle back and forth and get them, okay? So here we go. We'll see if they bounce out of the bucket or if they stay in. Here we go. Oh, way too far. 0 for 1. Oh. 0 for 2. Off the rim, 0 for 3. 7. 1 for 8. Oh, I gotta get it figured out, guys. 1 for 9. 1 for 11. Finally. 2 for 12. Yeah, here we go. I'm going to empty it. I got 3 for 13. Hope you guys are making more than I am. 3 for 14. Yes. 4 for 15. Oh, just out. Grab that one. 4 for 16, I believe. 4 for 17. 4 for 18. Harder than I thought. 4 for 18, I think. Nice. 5 for 19. 5 for 20. 10 more. Here we go. 6 for 21. 6 for 22. There we go. Yes. 8, 7 for 23. Yeah. 8 for 24. Doing better. 8 for 25. Oh, no good. Yes. 9 for 26. 10 for 27. 10 for 28. Yeah. All right. 11 for 29. Last shot, guys. 11 for 30, guys. So I probably was able to shoot them a little faster because I had probably more balls ready to shoot, okay? So take this time and finish, okay? Hopefully you're making them. Don't stop. Don't stop. Keep going. Nicely done, okay? So we'll take a pause here. We'll get on to the next drill, and I hope you beat my 11 for 30 on my free throws. Okay, guys, so we just did free throws. Now we are on to layups, okay? So layups are a really important shot to learn to shoot correctly, okay? Especially when we're young, quite often we shoot more often close to the basket than we do further away, okay? And there's a proper way to do it that will make you more successful at making those close shots, okay? And also a way to do it so you don't travel, okay? Which means you're moving while holding the ball and doing it properly, okay? So what we're gonna do is, I have a basket, of course, okay? And if you do, you'll be able to use it here shortly, okay? But if you don't, you really don't need a hoop to practice your layup form. So what you could do is you can just do them kind of in the middle of your room is just fine. You're just working on releasing it and having your steps be proper, okay? So looks like this, guys, okay? Proper layup. I'm gonna just give you a little bit of a turn here. And so if I'm on the right side of the basket, okay, a lot of us are right-handed, so this is going to be the more comfortable side for us to shoot our layup, okay? You'd be dribbling into the basket, okay? Now, when we're really young, a lot of us are just going to come up to the hoop, and we're going to stop, and we're going to try to shoot it, okay? There's nothing wrong with that, okay? You notice how I banked it off of the backboard, okay? That's a great way to shoot from the sides a layup position, okay? You use the square on the backboard, okay? If you are on the right side, use the top right corner of the square, and that ball, as long as you don't throw it too hard, okay, it's most likely going to go in, okay? And so that's great to use the backboard. Now, proper form, if you're going to shoot a layup, you're coming in, you're dribbling right-handed, okay? You're going to take, you get 2 steps once you lifted up the basketball to go and release your shot, okay? Now, I know that's a bit of an advanced thought, okay? But as you come to the basket, you are allowed to pick the ball up, 1, 2, and then shoot your shot, okay? Now, you are going to go up with your right hand on the right side, and you're going to jump off your left leg. Because your right arm and your right leg, it's like they're attached by a string, okay? Watch. Okay? Like my sound effects, okay? You're dribbling, you're coming, and you're going up like this, okay? It's the proper form, just because it's the most natural way for your body to do it, and comfortable way, okay? So you're coming in, and you're going up like so, okay? So, it looks like this, if I do the full thing, dribbling in, 1, 2, okay, and right arm's up, right knee's up, okay? Just come back, and now do this with me in the center of your room, okay? If you have whatever ball you have, just come in, okay, and go 1, 1, 2, and then just go here, just like so, okay? Right in the middle of your room. If you want to, you can pop the ball off your hand, you can go here, and then catch it, okay? You don't have to, okay? So here we go. Coming in, get my rebound, come back, do it again. So if you're doing it in the middle of your room, you can come here, dribble, 1, 2, just like so, and then come back. 1, 2. One, two. Go back to the hoop. Do it with me. Right arm, right knee. Okay? Great job with that, guys. If we're lefty, okay, we are going to, this one we'll do faster. On the move. Okay? If you're a lefty, this is going to be more comfortable for you. Okay? Got to tie a shoe here. So lefty, your left arm is going to be shooting the ball, and your left leg is going to be going with it, okay? Now what happens here is, the right side, very hard for you lefties. Left side, very hard for you righties. Takes lots of practice. Not near as natural, it just doesn't feel right for us, okay? So we want to learn how to do it, okay? So again, we dribble in, the ball's in the left hand, it'll make it easier. 1, 2, okay? Left arm, left leg, okay? 1, 2, left arm, left leg. 1, 2, left arm, left leg. Okay, if you do this with me, you'll get it figured out a little easier. 1, 2, okay? And one more time. 1, 2, okay? Left arm, left leg. And now, again, do it in the middle of your room, or, of course, if you're at a basket, great. Here we go. And I'm in. 1, 2. Okay. Much less comfortable for me also. Dribbling my left leg, or excuse me, my left hand coming from the left side. 1, 2. Just like so. Going on the air, looks like this. 1, 2. Bring it back. And 1, 2. 1, 2. Go back to the hoop for a couple more. Do it with me. Last one here, guys. Left side, left hand. 1, 2. All right. So, I know it could be confusing. That is the art of the layup, guys. Right side, right arm, right knee. Left side, left hand, left knee, okay? So, I know it's a lot to learn. If you struggled with it, that's fine. But now you know a little bit about layup form. All right, guys, nice job. So now, last thing we're going to talk about today is defensive stance, okay? So if the player in front of me has the ball, okay, I'm not just going to stand here like this because I can't move quick, okay? So I am going to be in an athletic stance. My feet are going to be wide. I'm going to drop my backside, okay, and my hands are going to be out like this, okay? And if the dribbler goes this way, I'm going to follow him. If the dribbler goes that way, I'm going to follow him, okay? If you're like this, you're going to be much slower. You got to drop down and move like so, okay? So I just want you to follow me, okay? I am going to get here. I'm going to move back and forth on your screen. Just shadow me, guys, okay? And this is a great defensive stance and what you would do if you were guarding the player with the ball. Here we go. Ready? We won't go long. Okay, it's a good workout. It's harder to be down low, okay? It's supposed to be an exercise. It's supposed to be working your, especially your lower half muscles, okay? Let's go 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, good. That's a good defensive stance, okay? Can't go wrong if you're guarding the ball and you're down there doing that, guys. Great job today. I will put up the 5-minute timer. If you want to do 5 more minutes of basketball, make it happen, okay? If not, just go ahead and be active for 5 more minutes. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for being here today, guys. Great workout, good basketball fun. We'll see you next time.